Today at La Bella Pasta, I'm gonna show you how to make my version of oven-baked chicken parm. Chicken parm has always been one of my favorites. And in today's recipe, rather than using flour and egg wash in my bread station, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the breadcrumbs. That's gonna help the breadcrumbs to get crispy without frying. So let's get started. I have pounded 3 chicken breasts, and I don't like to pound them too thin because we're gonna bake it in the oven and then we're gonna finish in the marinara sauce. I don't want the chicken to get too dry. So next we're gonna move to our breading station. Here I have some panko breadcrumbs. I have 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Gonna give this a quick stir. I'm also gonna add some fresh parsley. I like to add some fresh herbs to my cooking. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna give this a nice stir to combine all the ingredients. Next, we are gonna bread our chicken breast. Remember, we are not using any egg wash, so make sure that you press the breadcrumbs down very well. The chicken is now breaded and ready to get into the oven. We're gonna bake the chicken at 450 degrees for about 10 minutes. We're gonna turn it once halfway through, and then we're gonna add some marinara sauce and some fresh mozzarella on top. It's gonna be delicious. While the chicken bakes, I'm gonna get the mozzarella ready, and also I am warming up some marinara sauce that I have left over. By the way, don't forget to check our video for marinara sauce. Our chicken is golden brown and delicious, and we are gonna add the chicken to the sauce that I have warmed up. And next, we are gonna add some mozzarella cheese on top. I like to use fresh mozzarella for this because I think the taste is so much better than processed mozzarella, but you can use whatever you have handy. We're gonna get this back into the oven for about 10 minutes or so until the mozzarella melts. I can literally taste it right now. It smells so good. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And to make this chicken parm even more beautiful and even tastier, I'm gonna add some fresh herbs. I really like to add some fresh herbs to my cooking, as I said before. And the taste of basil with all those mozzarella melting on top and the marinara sauce, it's gonna be amazing. Our chicken parm is ready. Check this out. It smells amazing in this kitchen. Since I forgot to add a little bit of Parmesan before take it into the oven, I'm gonna add it right now. That's okay. You can add it before or after, it doesn't matter. And also, to finish it up and make it even tastier, and nice touch of basil on top. And this is it, guys. Here we have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and follow us on our social media. Thank you very much one more time. See you next time.